Mahendragiri. It is the second highest peak of Odisha after Deomali. It has three tops. Bhima top is the highest one, and the two other tops are Arjun and Jagannath. Yudhishthira temple is the gateway to Mahendragiri, and this is the place from where you can start the trek for the three tops.
Hey, what's up everybody? Good morning. Welcome to Ropack. Namaste. कैसे हैं आप लोग? Okay, so right now we have decided to go to Bhima temple, which is the highest point of Mahendragiri. और थोड़ा बहुत ट्रैक करना पड़ता है इसमें. We have started to move. Right now it's around 7. देखते हैं कितने बजे तक पहुंचते हैं. और ये पहली बार जो है मैं जा रहा हूँ ऊपर भीमा टेम्पल की तरफ. Bhima temple is the highest one. There are three temples, I guess. One is Kunti Mata's temple, Yudhishthira's temple, which from where we trekked, and this is Bhima temple, which is the highest one, the top one, and this is the actual Mahendragiri peak.
Bhima temple has no sculptural decorations, which is also known as Gokarneshwar temple. It is believed to have been built just after the Gupta period. People mostly visit here during Kartik month of Hindu calendar and Shivratri to pay homage to Lord Shiva. At the temple, they follow an unusual ritual in which a person has to enter the temple and come out of a very narrow opening. If the person does this successfully, then he or she is clean in the eyes of God. And if not, then the person needs to ask for forgiveness for whatever sin he or she has done. The Bhima temple is connected to another trail which takes you to Arjun Caves. Unlike the trail to Bhima temple, this trail is very picturesque and also quite tough. As you hike on through the trail, you get to see spectacular view of the Eastern Ghats. Arjun Cave is nothing but rocks stacked on each other in such a way that it creates a pathway under the rocks. In simple words, it's a cave. People believe that Arjun used to meditate here. Like Bhima temple, people follow the same ritual at Arjun cave. You need to enter the cave from one end and exit from another. If you're stuck, then you need to ask for forgiveness. After you have crossed the Arjun cave, you can move along the trail for Jagannath top, which is not far away, but you need to descend and then again ascend to reach there. After reaching Jagannath top, you will realize that there is no temple, but the rock structure at the top, it will make you feel like the builders dropped the plan for building the temple.
सो दिस इज़ द जगन्नाथ टॉप। और यहाँ पे लोग शिवरात्रि के टाइम पे आते हैं, बहुत लोग आते हैं। और कार्तिक महीने के सोमवार लाइक मंडे, तो मंडे को बहुत लोग आते हैं यहाँ पे। ये कार्तिक महीने में 5 मंडे, सो हर 5 मंडे यहाँ पे लोग आएंगे पूजा करने। दिस इज़ माई फर्स्ट टाइम हियर जगन्नाथ टॉप। लाइक इट अ लॉट, लाइक महेंद्रगिरी अ लॉट। वैसे मुझे तो अच्छा लगा इसका ट्रैक। वहाँ पे हो गया भीम टॉप, देन अर्जुन टॉप, देन जगन्नाथ टॉप। अच्छा लगा। माई फर्स्ट ट्रैकिंग एक्सपीरियंस आई वुड से इन उड़ीसा। अच्छा लगा, एंड आई वुड also suggest you to try it if you are a trekking enthusiast, and also if you are a pilgrim enthusiast, then of course.
There might be no temple here, but one thing that's always there: the view of complete Mahendragiri Hills, which makes you feel like, wow, Odisha is so beautiful. Mahendragiri is not just about history and temples. It is home to a wide range of flora and fauna. It hosts over 1200 species of plants. Not just plants, a sea as well. It is the highest place in Odisha from where you can actually see the Bay of Bengal. Mahendragiri truly is a home of nature and fresh air.
High mountains, temples, and that's Mahendragiri for you. But now let's do one thing. Let's ask somebody how he liked Mahendragiri. कैसा लगा उनको पूछते हैं, चलिए। और तपस,
हाँ,
कैसे हो?
बहुत बढ़िया।
कैसा लगा महेंद्रगिरी?
जितना सोचा था उससे ज़्यादा बहुत अच्छा लगा। और रोड बहुत अच्छा है, मतलब ऑफ रोड जो करेगा उसके लिए बहुत अच्छा है, और आना चाहिए एक बार हर किसी को।
This is a good place to be. If you want serious off-roading, this is the place in Odisha, I guess. And it's good because it's off-roading. Because if it's easy, people will come later and spill it.
बढ़िया, awesome, unexpected.
So come stay a night like us, maybe. If you are adventurous, pitch your tent, cook your food. Otherwise, obviously you can come in the day and have a look at this wonderful view and then go back by evening.
सबसे बढ़िया तो रूट, और दूसरा यहाँ पहुँचने के बाद जो व्यू है। 2 बार तो आ चुके, पर ये तीसरी बार जब आया ये सबसे बेटर था एक्चुअल में।
This place is worth. You have trekking, you have off-roading, you have good view. It's fun, man. It's fun. And there are a lot of other places we're going to explore. Of course, with the rover pack and traveler Babu along. It's fun. It's serious fun.
So I have to join them with the packing. So thank you for watching RoPack. I'll see you soon. Until then, happy traveling. Bye bye.